Right, so next thing we're going to do is actually create a timer for our game, so display how many seconds we've spent on the level, each level. So, how do we do that? Well, much like the score, you need to create text, so let's do that. Let's go down to text, let's call this timer. Click there, let's change this to 30. And let's change this to time. And let's stick this up there. Okay. Then we need to go to the event sheet, create a global variable, call this timer. Make sure it's number. Yep, all good. Okay. Then same again. Add action. We're going to do every tick bit. Then we need to go down to set text and type that up here. Set text. Then I'm going to put time. Hold on. Ampersand. And then timer for the global variable bit. Right. All well and good. Right, all well and good. However, it doesn't actually won't do anything. So let's see. Yeah, that changes. Time doesn't move. Okay, so we need to add 1 to the global variable every second. So how do we do that? Add events. Then we go to system and put every up top, every X seconds. So it's every second. Click done. Add action. And then we want system, add to the global variable of timer. Click that done. And then this should add 1 to the global variable every second. There we go. So the text is linked to the global variable, and then every second we plus 1 to the global variable, which then shows on the screen. And that is how you add a timer into your game.